In today's video, we're going to be looking at our battery settings in macOS. These can be accessed by clicking the battery preferences from the battery little tab here in the hotbar, or by going to our system preferences by clicking the Apple logo in the top left, and going to battery down here. From here, you can see your battery level. As you can see, my battery is fully charged and currently in use. And also your screen on usage, so I've not been using it for a while, and this is in the last 24 hours, but if I want to check the last 10 days, you can see that I used it a bit earlier in the week, and I can learn from this as well. You can also see when your device was last fully charged. You can also change your display settings with your battery, so you can be more conservative of power, likewise when you're plugged into a power adapter, and you can also schedule a start and wake time on your MacBook if you're working in a routine and you need it to be on at a time and off at a certain time. In order to make these changes, you will need to press the padlock and type in your username and password for the admin on the device. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.